First incident is caused by Desiree. On September 2nd, 2023, police received a call about a woman causing a disturbance in the street. Upon locating Desiree, the officers quickly found out that she had an active warrant. The officer approached Desiree and informed her that they had calls about her. She asks if the officer could look up her court date. The officer quickly found that she had a warrant.
So I got called because you're running out in the traffic.
No, sir.
No?
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I had to run and get my keys and I come over there.
Okay.
And this woman, she got mad at me, so I was gonna leave. Like I was leaving right now.
Okay, you got your ID? Can I see your ID quick?
No, sir, I don't got it, but I got my name. It's Desiree Thompson.
Give me 1 second. Let me write it down, just so it's easier if I write it down.
Are you able to like look up a court date for me?
I can try.
Cause I'm supposed to have a court date.
You are?
I don't want to get a warrant.
What for?
Because I had loitering and chlorine and I had battery, but like a warrant for battery or something. And I just got bailed out of jail.
All right, do me a favor. Why don't you stand over here so we're not in the way of traffic? Okay.
I don't want to get like a warrant.
Okay, give me a second. Let me run you, and then if you want to chill, I can look that up for you. Okay? Desiree, do me a favor. Put your stuff down. Yep, you actually do have a warrant.
What do you mean?
You have a warrant. Desiree. Desiree, stop! You're under arrest! Stop!
Leave me alone!
Delta 5621! Back to me! Let go of my taser! Let go!
Please don't press charges on me!
You get all the charges. Don't
Please
move.
don't press charges on
Don't
me!
move. Do not move.
When was I gonna get released? When was I gonna get released? When was I gonna get released?
Yes, we are. Come on. Come on.
When was I gonna get released? When was I gonna get released?
Who's a VOP warrant?
What is a VOP warrant?
Violation of probation.
I'm sorry.
Come on. Have a seat. Lean up against the seat. So 1, 2, 3.
I'm sorry, okay? Please don't press charges on me. Please don't press charges on me. It was the devil. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? It was the devil. And what is a VIP one?
I'll let you know all that in a second, but you got an ID?
When could I get out?
When? You probably would have got out in the morning.
I'm sorry. When am I gonna get charges for years or something?
You'll see the judge in the morning, okay?
I'm gonna throw up.
Ma'am, do you want medical attention? Okay, we got fire en route. Check you out, okay? I want you to try to sit up, lean up against this back seat. That's better than I don't want you falling and hitting the concrete.
I'm gonna throw up.
Bleeding.
Lean up against
Bleeding.
the car.
Bleeding.
I hear you.
I got it. Welcome back.
Where is he? Where is that police officer? I'm sorry. Where is he? It's not funny. It's not funny. It's not funny.
Have a seat.
It's not funny.
Can't breathe? Okay.
How are you? I haven't seen you in a while. Yo.
Can I borrow that arm from you?
Yeah, I'll take a look at the picture.
I was on top of her. So, started over south to Seagrave. They told me she had a VOP, I think it was a VOP warrant. I don't really remember it right now. I know it was a warrant. Went to go 10-12 her. She runs down here, turns around, runs up into SMA parking lot. We come up the hill. I catch up to her right here at the sidewalk and push her up into the building, and she falls. So I go on top of her, try and secure her arms. She balls up like a hedgehog and just starts punching me in the head and kicking me in the head. And then where I really she tried to reach for my taser, pulled the mag out, and she got the hood down on my gun.
All right, sweetie. I'm gonna have you hop onto this nice little chair right here, okay?
Desiree was charged with resisting arrest with violence, battery on a law enforcement officer, and violation of pretrial release. The next incident is caused by a woman named Vanessa Johnson. In Las Cruces, New Mexico, an officer conducted a traffic stop on Johnson's vehicle. 2 more occupants were inside the vehicle beside her. Soon, it was found that she had an active warrant. The officer approached Johnson's vehicle and informed her about the traffic stop. She was then asked to exit the vehicle.
Evening, I'm Sergeant Austin, Las Cruces Police Department. The reason why I pulled you over is for failure to yield when you're doing your turn, or U-turn back there.
I have yeah. I just moved here, so I'm trying to get used to the street.
Alright, do you have your driver's license, registration for insurance? Up over there. What's your last name?
Johnson?
Johnson?
Yeah.
Miss Johnson, I'm smelling something coming from the inside of the car. Do you know what that is?
Vape?
Vape?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else to the vape?
No.
No?
Just the vape.
Okay, because your driving behavior is making me believe that you may be impaired.
Oh, no.
Okay, because even when you came here...
him and, like, and
Okay. And when you even pulled in here, you threw the car in reverse like you were going to hit my unit.
hey, you went first. I was like, oh. We picked him up like 20 minutes ago.
Where'd you pick him up at?
His house, and he was gonna go hang out with us, but I honestly think he's coming off heroin, so he's on prescription drugs, you know. But we don't mess around with that.
Alright. Stay here. Stay here. Hey, will you check on him, bro? She's saying he may be coming off heroin.
Did you get my
Hold on.
date? It's been a long time. It's been on like
What's your name, man? What's your name?
Todd.
Todd?
Warburton.
Warburton?
Yeah.
Where are you from, Todd?
I just moved here to Las Cruces from New York.
From New York.
Yeah, my mom retired from Xerox and decided to move. She wanted to move out here.
Okay. You're on the nod, bro, pretty good. And I don't care if you just shot up. I'm more concerned about your medical well-being. Okay. So I'm not asking you to try and get you in trouble. What I'm asking you is so I can get you help if you need it. When did you last shoot up?
I don't shoot up, so.
Okay, did you smoke? And when did you smoke? Okay. You need medical attention, dude? Stay over here.
No, I don't think so.
Okay. You want to get somebody to check you out real quick, man? Because you're like passing in and out.
No, I'm okay.
Go ahead.
Vanessa Johnson.
Alright, dude, do me a favor. Have a seat right there.
house, our car looks like reddish hair.
Do me a favor for now. Turn around. Place your hands back behind your back. Right now, you're not under arrest, but you are detained because they're saying you have a warrant. Okay, out of Eddy County.
It should have been taken care of.
Alright, turn back this way so I can double lock your handcuffs.
You go with
Okay, give us a minute. Alright, so for right now, you're going to come back over here by my unit. I'm going to have you have a seat, okay? Without reaching, do you have anything on your person right now? No, hold on. Do you have any weapons or anything on your person? Alright, I'm going to pat you down with the back of my hand real quick, alright? Have a seat real quick. Now there's nothing in the back of this car right now, okay? If there's anything in the back of it, when I come back, you're the rightful owner, okay? Alright, I'll kick the air on real quick. Whose ride is this, bro? Yeah. It's yours? Okay, do you have a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Okay. Sit down. Where's it at? No, sit down. Kick back, bro. I'm gonna tell you, like I told her, bro, I think something's going on with what you guys have been smoking, whatever it is, vaping. I don't care, you guys aren't in the right state of mind, dude.
Like, you want to, babe? Going back.
What else did you put with that tobacco? Did you guys do any spice or anything else? Okay, so both.
You can test it, whatever you want to do.
I was telling you, most people that vape, dude, aren't baked like you guys right now.
We're not. Like, I don't know why you're.
I'm not assuming it, I can tell it. By your driving behaviors, how your mannerisms, how this dude's passing out.
Trying to get her to go to whatever she was driving.
No, he's the registered owner. He's not driving, so I'm gonna tell him. Still have to take this if they want to tow it. Just leave it here. But it doesn't have to do with your having the ignition interlock. It doesn't have to do with your.
I'll take a breathalyzer right now.
I'm not asking you to take a breathalyzer, dude. I don't know what you guys smoke, but
I didn't smoke any. I really did.
I thought you guys said that you vape.
We do vape. I have my vape like on the back. Like, I don't know if you guys can test that.
Is it spice, dude? Like, I don't get if it is.
No. It's nicotine.
So,
all in it.
people that normally smoke cigarettes, bro, aren't acting like this,
We
dude.
use like cigarettes and not
You're still smoking, right?
Yeah.
You're saying it's nicotine, right? With a cigarette.
It's nicotine, but it's not all the other toxins that are in it.
I'll tell you this, Mr. Suggs. You're not to be driving this vehicle right now, dude. And talking to you guys and your mannerisms and your driving behavior, I believe you're impaired. Yes, you were not driving, so that's why I'm not towing it.
Can I have the story?
Yeah, you can have that.
That would have my roommate and I help them, right?
Alright, she wants to get her vape. I'll grab it. It's on the seat, right? Listen, bro. We're out of here. Like I said, I don't want to see you driving the car. Okay? Once we leave, you can get your phone and do what you need to do. Okay? Alright. Have a good night. Yeah, I'll be good. I'll 87 with him at Central. Unless you want the stat. Alright, bro.
Go ahead.
Destinations rated to year 20.
Vanessa Johnson was arrested for an active warrant from a previous incident.